Hi everyone. So for today, let's try solving these word problems using our algebraic expressions and then evaluating. Okay, so since this is for grade 7 math for week 2, okay? So it says here, solve the word problems using your newfound algebraic skills. The cleaning service charges a fixed fee of 1,500 for a one-time cleaning session plus 200 pesos per hour for additional cleaning time. If the cleaning session lasts for 4 hours, what will the cost be? Okay, so first thing, we have to make our algebraic expression since it focuses po yung ating um, week for that. So, let's make our algebraic expression. Okay, so again, dun sa parts po ng ating algebraic expression, we have constant, variable, coefficient. Okay, so for this one, you have to identify kung alin po yung constant. Remember, when we say constant, hindi po siya nagbabago from the word itself. It means it's fixed. Okay, so you have to identify dun sa problem natin kung alin yung fixed dyan. So dito, sinabi na mismo na it has a fixed fee of 1,500. So it means itong 1,500 po, that will be your constant. Okay? Next, yung ating variables. Okay, so again, doon sa variable natin, sabi nga, ang ating variable, it doesn't have a fixed amount or fixed value. Okay, it can be changed. So dito, we have to identify kung alin yung hindi po fixed. Okay, so from here, it says plus 200 per hour for additional cleaning time. So we don't know kung ilang oras yung titik nila for cleaning. Okay, itong per hour. So, it means yung per hour natin, siya yung nababago. So, let's represent it na lang po as x. Okay? So, yung per hour daw po, binabayadan siya ng 200. Okay? So, it means yung 200 pesos will be multiplied dito sa per hour natin para makuha kung magkano yung additional cleaning amount kapag sila ay nag-extend. Okay? So, again, we'll have here yung constant that is 1,500. Okay? Wala tayong nalagay na variable kasi nga po siya constant. And then we have yung ating per hour that will be our variable which will be multiplied with 200. So it means yung 200 po, that is your coefficient for that. 200x. Okay? That is our algebraic expression. Now, it says here, if the cleaning session lasts for 4 hours, so it means we have to evaluate that algebraic expression. Okay? So we have to evaluate when x is equal to 4. Okay, so bakit po x yung ginamit natin? Kasi nga yung variable po na ginamit natin dito which represent number of hours. Okay, so evaluating it, we'll have 1,500 plus 200 times 4. Okay, so we got 1,500 plus 800. So from here, we'll have 2,300. Okay, so the total cost for 4 hours will be 2,300. Next, a taxi company charges 50 pesos as a base fare for a ride, plus 10 pesos for every kilometer traveled. If the ride covers a distance of 8 kilometers, what will be the total? Okay, so from here, again, we have to make our algebraic expression. Identify nyo kung alin yung hindi nagbabago dyan. So, pag sinabi natin base fare, ayan, fixed amount yan. So, kahit 1 kilometer lang yung tinakbo mo, 50 pesos na yung babayadan natin. So, from here, we'll have 50 as our constant. Meron tayong 10 for every kilometer. So, itong 10 pesos, i-multiply natin kung ilang kilometer. So, let's say this is x again. That will be our variable. Okay? So, from here, we have to evaluate it. Okay, so sabi dyan, distance of 8 kilometers. So we have to evaluate when x is equal to 8. Okay, so from here, we get 50 plus 10 times 8. Okay, so we get 50 plus 80, which is equal to 130 pesos. Ayan, so that will be the total fare. Okay, kapag 8 kilometers yung tinakbo niya. Then number 7, a fitness trainer charges 300 pesos per session for personal training sessions plus an additional 50 pesos for the use of equipment. What will be the total cost if a client schedules 3 sessions and uses equipment for 2 of them? Okay? So sabi dyan, total cost if a client schedules 3 sessions siya and uses equipment for 2 of them. Okay? So it says here, 300 per session. Okay? So it means wala tayong constant kasi every session, magbabayad tayo ng 300, tapos may additional charges pa tayo na 50 pesos for each equipment. Okay, for the use of equipment. So for this one, we will have two variables. Okay? So let x, mag-x tayo, number of session, and then yung y natin is number of use of equipment. Ayan. Ay, wala tayong fixed na value. So, wala tayong constant. So, 300 per session daw po siya. So, 300x plus 50 pesos for the use of equipment. So, we'll have 50y. Okay, so we have to evaluate. Okay, when x is equal to, it says there are 3 sessions and y is equal to 2. Okay, so from here, we got 300 times 3 plus 50 times 2. So we get 900 plus 100, which is equal to 1,000. Ayan. So, the total cost for the client scheduling for 3 sessions and uses equipment for 2 of them. So, that is equal to 1,000 po. Okay, there. I hope you learned something and I help you out. You can comment down your requested topics or subject or week, or if you have any question, any help for your assignment project or anything for your review. Okay, follow for more. Thank you guys.